Outdoors today, check out this cool thing, an on-camera flash.
Yeah, tiny and light, 300 grams.
Let me explain the skills of operating a drone. The weather was sunny today, so I went for a bike ride.
NEEWER